Want to turn your knowledge into a full-time income? Selling online courses is one of the best ways to earn passive income while helping others learn valuable skills. In this video, we'll show you how to create, market, and sell online courses successfully even if you're just getting started. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business and income tips. 1. Choose a profitable course topic. To make a full-time income from online courses, selecting a profitable niche is crucial. The best topics are those that solve a specific problem or teach a valuable skill. High-demand niches include business, digital marketing, coding, personal finance, fitness, and productivity. Conduct research using tools like Google Trends, Udemy Insights, and Quora to gauge interest. Check competitors on Skillshare, Teachable, and Coursera to analyze what sells best. Choose a topic that aligns with your expertise, passion, and market demand. Avoid overly broad subjects. Instead, narrow down to a sub-niche for a targeted audience. 2. Validate your course idea before creating it. Before spending time and effort creating your course, ensure it has a proven market demand. One way to validate your idea is by offering a free lead magnet such as a PDF, mini course, or live webinar. Create a landing page using ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Systeme.io and track how many people sign up. Engage with potential students in Facebook groups, Reddit, LinkedIn, and Quora to understand their challenges. Send surveys via Google Forms or Typeform to gather direct feedback. Look for existing successful courses on Udemy, Coursera, and Thinkific, as competition indicates demand. Offer a pre-sale or beta version at a discounted price to test interest. 3. Plan and structure your course for maximum engagement. A well-structured course ensures that students stay engaged and complete it successfully. Start by outlining your course into modules and bite-sized lessons that progress logically. Keep videos short to maintain attention spans. Mix content formats such as video lectures, quizzes, worksheets, and real-life case studies to enhance learning. Use storytelling and step-by-step guidance to make lessons easy to follow. Each module should provide clear action steps so students can apply what they learn. Break complex topics into simple, digestible sections to avoid overwhelming learners. Include bonus materials like templates, cheat sheets, or resource lists for added value. 4. Use free and affordable tools to create your course. You don't need expensive equipment to create a professional-looking online course. Start with a good smartphone or webcam, a USB microphone, and a ring light for proper lighting. Use free or budget-friendly tools like Open Broadcaster Software Studio, Canva, CapCut, or ScreenPal for video editing. If recording screen tutorials, use Loom, Camtasia, or Screencast-O-Matic. Platforms like Prezi and Doodly allow you to create engaging animated presentations. Ad-powered tools such as Descript can help with video transcriptions and automatic editing. Background noise reduction can be done with Audacity to improve audio clarity. By utilizing these affordable tools, you can create high-quality course content without spending thousands of dollars. 5. Choose the best platform to sell your course. Selecting the right platform depends on your budget, marketing skills, and desired level of control. All-in-one platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi handle everything from course hosting to payment processing. Marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare offer built-in audiences but take a significant percentage of your earnings. If you prefer full control, build your course website using WordPress with LearnDash, Podia, or Gumroad. For a more interactive experience, use Mighty Networks or CircleDot to build a student community. Consider hybrid selling. List a portion on Udemy for visibility, while driving traffic to your premium course on your website. Each platform has pros and cons, so choose one that aligns with your business goals and growth plans. 6. Build an email list and pre-sell your course. An email list is one of the most powerful assets for selling online courses successfully. Start collecting emails by offering free lead magnets such as checklists, guides, or exclusive webinars. Use tools like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Systeme.io to build and nurture your list. Engage subscribers with valuable weekly emails, including tips, case studies, and personal stories. Pre-selling your course can generate revenue before launch and validate demand. Offer an early bird discount or exclusive bonuses for students who enroll before the official release. Use countdown timers and urgency tactics to encourage quick action. 7. Market your course using free and paid strategies. To attract students, use a combination of organic and paid marketing strategies. Create valuable content through YouTube videos, blogs, podcasts, and social media posts to establish authority. Optimize your website and course sales page with SEO strategies to rank for relevant keywords. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest for visibility. Engage in Facebook groups, LinkedIn discussions, and Reddit threads where your audience is active. Run targeted ads on Facebook, Google, and YouTube to scale once you validate demand. Partner with influencers and affiliates to promote your course to wider audiences. A strong marketing strategy ensures consistent course sales and growth. 8. Offer multiple pricing tiers and payment plans. To maximize sales, offer flexible pricing options that cater to different audiences. Provide multiple pricing tiers, such as a basic course and a premium version with extra bonuses. Allow students to pay in installments to make enrollment easier. Consider a subscription model where students pay a low monthly fee for ongoing access. Bundle your course with one-on-one coaching, exclusive Q&A sessions, or bonus content to increase perceived value. Offer limited time discounts and upsells to boost conversions. By providing diverse pricing options, you increase accessibility while maximizing revenue potential. 9. Use testimonials and social proof to boost sales. Social proof is one of the most effective ways to increase course enrollments. Encourage early students to leave detailed testimonials, video reviews, and success stories. Highlight these reviews on your sales page, emails, and social media platforms. Offer a money-back guarantee to eliminate doubts and reduce buying resistance. Share real-life case studies and before and after transformations to demonstrate course effectiveness. Feature media mentions, influencer endorsements, or partnerships to add credibility. If you're new, offer a beta launch at a lower price in exchange for honest reviews. Strong social proof builds trust and convinces potential students to buy. 10. Automate and scale for full-time income. Once your course is selling, automate key processes to create passive income. Use evergreen funnels with automated email sequences and webinar replays to sell on autopilot. Set up chatbots using ManyChat or Drift to handle customer inquiries efficiently. Outsource tasks like video editing, customer support, and social media management to freelancers. Expand by creating additional courses or bundling existing ones into premium packages. Launch a membership site or coaching program for recurring revenue. Scaling ensures that your course becomes a long-term profitable business rather than a one-time project. Are you ready to launch your online course? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more ways to build your online business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.